Setting up your budget in PocketGuard starts with one simple step: connecting your accounts. But why is this necessary, and what benefits can it offer you? Connecting your accounts is what allows PocketGuard to work automatically. Instead of entering every transaction by hand, PocketGuard can import your balances and transactions, track recurring bills and income, identify subscriptions, show spending insights, and keep your budget updated as your actual spending changes. The biggest benefit is clarity. Once your accounts are connected, PocketGuard can help you see where your money is going, which bills are coming up, how much you have already spent, and how much money is still available in your leftover. This means your budget is not just a static spreadsheet, it becomes a living financial plan that updates based on your real activity. To connect an account, open the app and go to the Accounts tab. Tap the plus button in the top right corner, then choose Link External Account. From here, you can search for your financial institution by name or website, or select one of the popular institutions shown on the screen. PocketGuard supports connections to more than 18,000 financial institutions. Depending on the type of account, you may be redirected to your bank's secure website to authenticate the connection. Eligible users can also connect accounts such as Apple Card or Apple Cash. During the connection process, you may be asked to verify your phone number, review the requested permissions, or confirm the connection directly through your bank. Once the connection is complete, your accounts will appear in PocketGuard under the corresponding financial institution. You can see checking accounts, savings accounts, credit cards, loans, mortgages, and other connected accounts in one place. And if something needs to be updated later, tap the three-dot menu next to the institution. From there, you can refresh the connection, update your credentials, or delete the institution. If you do not want to link a bank, you can also add accounts manually. Tap the plus button again and choose Create Cash Account. For a debit or cash account, enter the account name and current balance. For a credit account, you can also add information such as the minimum payment and annual percentage rate. Now that your accounts are connected, the next step is to organize your financial information. Start by reviewing your imported transactions. Make sure they are assigned to the correct categories, and create transaction rules for merchants or payments that appear regularly. For example, you can create a rule that always categorizes a specific supermarket as groceries, a streaming service as subscriptions, or a gas station as transportation. Once your transactions are properly organized, PocketGuard can provide more accurate spending insights. You can review how much you have spent in each category, identify patterns in your spending, and use that information to create a realistic budget for the upcoming month. Next, go to your plan. PocketGuard uses your income, upcoming bills, goals, debt payments, and spending categories to calculate your leftover. This number shows how much money remains available after your planned expenses have been accounted for. Start by checking your estimated income. Make sure PocketGuard has correctly identified your salary, freelance payments, benefits, or any other regular sources of income. Then review your upcoming bills and confirm that important payments such as rent, subscriptions, utilities, loan payments, insurance, and other recurring expenses are included. Next, create budgets for categories where spending changes from month to month, such as groceries, dining out, shopping, transportation, or entertainment. Use your previous transactions and spending insights to choose realistic category limits. A useful budget should reflect how you actually live, not an imaginary version of your spending. Set an amount for each category and save it. These budgets help PocketGuard reserve money for expenses you have already planned, making your leftover a clearer picture of what you can safely manage. If you have debt, the next step is to set up your debt payoff plan. Add your outstanding balances, interest rates, minimum payments, and the amount you can contribute toward debt each month. PocketGuard can then help you organize your repayment strategy and see an estimated debt-free date. You should also review your recurring subscriptions. Check the list for services you no longer use, forgotten free trials, duplicate memberships, or subscriptions that have become more expensive. Canceling even a few unnecessary charges can immediately create more room in your monthly budget. Once your income, bills, budgets, debt payments, and subscriptions are organized, take another look at your leftover. Leftover is the portion of your income that remains after PocketGuard accounts for your planned expenses. You can think of it as your currently available or disposable income, but that does not necessarily mean you should spend all of it. You can decide how to use this money based on your priorities. You might move part of it into an emergency fund or another savings goal. You could invest it, use it to make additional debt payments, increase a necessary category that was set too low, or leave some money unallocated as a buffer for unexpected expenses. For example, imagine your leftover is $600. You could put $250 into savings, use $200 as an additional credit card payment, add $100 to your grocery budget, and keep the remaining $50 as a small monthly cushion. The goal is not simply to spend whatever remains. The goal is to give the remaining money a purpose before it quietly disappears. Before I say goodbye, I would like to answer 2 questions that might have come to mind while you were watching this video. Is it safe to connect my accounts? And can PocketGuard move my money? PocketGuard uses read-only account connections. This means it can read balances and transaction information in order to organize your finances and build your budget. PocketGuard cannot transfer money, make payments, withdraw funds, or make changes inside your bank account. The connection is used to read financial information, not to control your money. Can I disconnect my bank later? Yes. You can disconnect a financial institution from PocketGuard at any time. Go to the Accounts tab, find the institution, tap the 3-dot menu next to it, and choose Delete Institution. From the same menu, you can also refresh the connection or update your credentials if an account stops syncing. And remember, connecting a bank is optional. You can still use PocketGuard manually by creating cash or credit accounts, entering balances, adding income and bills, categorizing transactions, and setting up your own budgets. Connecting accounts makes the process more automatic, but it is not the only way to use PocketGuard. That is the basic setup. Connect or manually add your accounts, organize your transactions, confirm your income and bills, create realistic category budgets, review your debts and subscriptions, and then give every part of your leftover a purpose. This way, PocketGuard does not just show you where your money went. It helps you decide where your money should go next.